Yo, what's going on? Hey, yo, I don't know if you heard, but they're expecting a really big storm here in the Northeast. Uh, what are we gonna do? Could be 1 inch, could be 8 inches, could be 2 feet. Who knows? Or it could be nothing. I don't know, but hey, yo, there's a storm. We gotta get the eggs and milk. We gotta get the eggs, bread, and milk. Eggs, bread, and milk. We gotta get the eggs, bread, and milk. What do you guys think? Eggs, bread, and milk. Eggs, bread, and milk. Yo, sounds like we gotta get the eggs, bread, and milk. Well, I already got the eggs, bread, and milk. Or always have some eggs, bread, and milk. I don't wait for it to snow. But I did happen to make sure that I got a couple beers. Yeah. Nobody wants to get stuck in a house with no beer, right? That would be bad. And one of the labels fell off when I was putting it in the fridge. Whatever. Yeah, so, hey. Till next time. Stay warm. And watch for the snow, I guess. Have a good one.